Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use the ClickUp API and how to generate your ClickUp API key step by step. This is useful if you want to connect ClickUp with other tools, build automations, or work with custom integrations. So yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. Once the page loads, sign into your ClickUp account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces and settings are available. Now, click on your profile avatar, usually located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find the Apps or Integration section. This is where ClickUp manages API access and connected tools. Next, look for the ClickUp API option. We'll click on it, and you'll see the section for generating your personal API token, also known as the API key. Click the Generate button. ClickUp will instantly create a unique API key for your account. Once the API key appears, copy it and store it somewhere secure. This key gives access to your ClickUp data, so yeah, don't share it publicly or include it directly in client-side code. Treat it like a password. Now that you have your API key, you can start using the ClickUp API. Developers use this key to authenticate requests when connecting external apps, building custom dashboards, or automating workflows. For example, you can fetch tasks, create new tasks, update statuses, or sync data with other platforms. If you ever think your API key is compromised, you can come back to this page and regenerate a new one. The old key will stop working immediately, which helps keep your workspace secure. Another helpful tip is testing your API key with simple requests first. This helps confirm everything is working before you build more complex integrations. ClickUp's API is flexible so you can scale your usage as your needs grow. And that's it. Generating and using a ClickUp API key is straightforward once you know where to look. And it opens up powerful customization and automation options. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the